In this video, you'll learn about the Discussions Index page and how to create a discussion. To access the Discussions Index, click the Discussions link in course navigation. Here, you can view, search, and filter discussions, start a new one, or adjust course-wide discussion settings by clicking the Settings icon. Unread replies are marked as read as you scroll past them. To manually track unread posts, select Manually Mark Posts as Read. To let students start discussions, check Create Discussion Topics. Use other settings to allow editing, deleting their posts, or attaching files. Click Save Settings when finished. The Discussions Index includes 3 sections: Pinned Discussions, always appear at the top; Discussions, currently active, sorted by recent activity; Closed for comments, discussions past their availability or manually closed. Drag and drop to move or organize discussions. Use the Options icon to open closed comments, pin, unpin, duplicate, copy, send to another instructor, or delete. You can quickly identify graded discussions, assignment icon, peer reviews required, peer icon, due dates or to-dos, published status, reply counts, subscription status. To create a discussion, click Add Discussion. Enter a title, add content with the Rich Content Editor, and select a course section if needed. Use Choose File to attach files. Under Options, choose your discussion settings, e.g. Graded Group. For graded discussions, enter the point value, display type, and assignment group. You can also enable peer reviews and set due and availability dates. Use the Assign To field to target specific sections or students. Click Save to save as a draft, or Save and Publish to make it live. Once saved, the Discussion Details page lets you publish, unpublish, edit, search, filter replies, collapse, expand threads, reply, and manage options. Thanks for watching this overview of discussions.